A 30-year-old man was paralyzed after a barber shop neck cracking. Another 40-year-old man ended up injuring his breathing nerve and is on a lifelong ventilator since then. We neurosurgeons keep seeing this trend, and I had one patient who was 28-year-old man who suffered a minor stroke and was lucky to survive with few deficits. In India, it's a tradition to end the haircut with a complimentary, friendly neck crack and a soul-satisfying cluck sound. But this haircut may end up in a nerve cut and make you paralyzed for life. This 30-year-old man was unlucky. He died in 3 days after suffering paralysis on the barber's chair. What's going on here? When someone cracks your neck, it can injure your brain artery called vertebral artery, which causes an immediate life-threatening stroke, making you paralyzed for life. It can also cause neck bone fracture in older people.